This gentleman's a day out from an eyebrow transplant. We transplanted the outer half of the eyebrow. You can see how natural it looks. It looks just like his normal eyebrow hairs. So we did the outer 2/3 of the eyebrow here. It still can't quite see all the density because it hasn't grown in, obviously, but you can see that the pattern and the hairs look just as natural as the inner. This is his other side. You can see that it looks completely natural compared to his natural hairs. They just haven't grown in yet, but this Asian hair is very hard to get natural results, but it looks very, very natural. We do a long hair transplant, so at least it has a little bit of length so we can see the hair curl and the directionality, which is really important when we're doing this. This is done by an FUE procedure. He also wanted a sideburn. You can see that this is, again, not grown in, but the hairs are very natural in terms of the pattern. They're made by sites that are what are called coronal or lateral slit sites to make them very flat and natural. This is the other side over here. You can just see how natural the sideburn is. When you look at the donor site, look down for me. You can see that this is pretty well healed at one day. The key with FUE here is to have it very scattered across here, so he wears his hair short that hopefully there won't be any visible dots. People talk about FUE being completely scarless. That's false. So the goal is to make this as hard to see at any closeness of the shaving of the head. But that's just a day out from the donor area.